The John Deere H480C tractor is equipped with 80 horsepower and weighs 5,500 pounds.
The H480C handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. Its diesel engine ensures durable performance, making it ideal for large-scale agricultural work. Felling a 500-year-old Douglas fir requires a high-powered 100-horsepower chainsaw to cut through its dense trunk. The tree can weigh several tons, demanding specialized equipment and skilled techniques to ensure safety throughout the process. Weighing over 10 tons, the Soviet TT4 tractor can tow timber loads up to 40 tons, demonstrating exceptional strength in handling challenging forestry tasks. The TT4 is a powerful machine with a diesel engine that delivers around 95 horsepower.
Возьмет, не возьмет. Пошла.
Leave a number 1 in the comments if you're excited about this journey. Next, weighing in at around 23.25 tons, this machine, combined with the Woody H61 cutting head, can tackle forestry projects efficiently. Equipped with a 168 horsepower engine, the Senebogen 718E series is the ideal choice for logging. What happens when the Senebogen 718E series, paired with the Woody H61 cutting head, takes on heavy forestry tasks? With a weight of around 23.25 short tons and powered by a 168 horsepower engine, this machine is built for serious work. Stay with me until the end of the video to find out. The 6-horsepower Stihl chainsaw is a powerful tool for felling trees. Equipped with a durable 2-stroke gas engine and anti-vibration system for smooth operation. Weighing 15.43 pounds and featuring a 15.75-inch bar, it allows for agile handling, ensuring fast and safe cutting performance. It was a surprise to see the 27.56 short-ton pig truck in Bangalore equipped with a 300 horsepower diesel engine. Designed for efficient livestock transport, this truck ensures safety and durability, optimizing the process for heavy loads. Here, we have the Timber Pro machine paired with the Woody WH70 cutting head, a powerful forestry tool with a 260 horsepower diesel engine. Weighing around 33.07 short tons, it handles timber harvesting tasks efficiently. The Woody WH71's precise cutting and gripping capabilities maximize productivity in the forest. The Bandit 21 XP chipper, powered by a 275 horsepower engine, delivers robust performance, effortlessly handling dense hardwood from cranes in Australia. Unbelievable! Weighing approximately 20.94 short tons, it swiftly handles logging tasks with the precise cutting and gathering capabilities of the H480 head. The John Deere 1270E, paired with the H480 cutting head, is an exceptional forestry machine powered by a 268 horsepower diesel engine. With a total weight reaching 44.09 short tons, the Volvo FH16 600 truck, equipped with a 600 horsepower engine paired with a Faymanville trailer and Epsilon, enables efficient hauling and transport of timber across steep terrain, optimizing logging and transportation processes. The Woodland Mills stump grinder, powered by a 14 horsepower gas engine, efficiently and quickly removes stumps. Weighing around 136 pounds, this machine is easy to maneuver, thoroughly grinding tough stumps and clearing forested areas and gardens effectively. Leave a number 1 in the comments if you're excited about these machines. The Valtra A124 forestry tractor, with its 124 horsepower engine, is an ideal solution for timber harvesting. Combined with a fully loaded Palms trailer and a 25.79-foot crane, this setup weighs a total of 11.02 short tons, enabling efficient wood transport and handling in rugged forest terrain. Unbelievably, weighing around 8 tons, the CAT 428C delivers powerful traction, effortlessly uprooting large stumps. With an 80-horsepower engine, the CAT 428C excavator is the ideal equipment for handling hefty stump removal tasks efficiently. In Khanty-Mansiysk, a driver operating a 400-horsepower timber truck did not follow safety protocols. With a combined vehicle and load weight of 33.07 short tons, the truck struggles to move effectively. So, how can this vehicle possibly make it up the slope now? The new TAF forestry tractor, equipped with a 95-horsepower engine, is designed for logging and wood transport in forested areas. Weighing around 6.61 short tons, the TAF provides secure traction on rough terrain, ensuring efficient and safe movement and handling of timber. Tree felling requires powerful chainsaws with 5 to 6 horsepower, making it easy to cut through large trunks. With a lightweight design of just 13.23 pounds, these chainsaws offer flexibility and safety, enhancing efficiency in forestry and landscaping tasks. The Bandit Beast 4680 chipper, powered by a robust 1,050 horsepower engine, easily handles tough materials. With a weight of up to 44.09 short tons, the Bandit Beast 4680 offers powerful chipping capabilities, making it ideal for industrial waste processing.